If the police stop you in Ghana right now, do you know what the law actually allows them to do? Because shouting, "I know my rights," without knowing the law can land you in serious trouble. Let's break it down using Ghana's own laws and court decisions. 1. During an arrest under Section 1 of the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act, 1960 Act 30, a police officer may touch or confine you to make an arrest, but here is the limit. Section 6 of Act 30 is clear. No more restraint than is necessary. Once you submit, any further force becomes unlawful. This was reinforced by the courts in Asari v. Republic 1968. If you're no longer resisting, force is illegal. Now, can the police arrest you without a warrant? Yes, under Section 10 of Act 30, if an offense is committed in their presence, or if they have reasonable suspicion that you committed a felony. But listen carefully, there is no such thing as a blind arrest in Ghana. The police must tell you the reason for your arrest, and under Article 14(3) of the 1992 Constitution, you cannot be detained for more than 48 hours without being taken before a court. Anything beyond that is unconstitutional. 2. Entry into premises. If the police believe a suspect has entered a building, Section 4 of Act 30 allows them to demand entry. If entry is refused, they may break open an outer or inner door, but only for the purpose of effecting a lawful arrest. 3. During a search or inspection under Section 8 of Act 30, once you are arrested, the police may search your person and seize items, except necessary clothing if those items are weapons or evidence. For searching a house or vehicle, a search warrant may be issued under Section 88 of Act 30, where there is reasonable ground to believe evidence is inside. Yes, there are emergencies if delay would defeat the purpose of the search. Police may search without a warrant, but only on reasonable suspicion, not guesswork. No fishing expeditions. That's protected by Article 18(2) of the 1992 Constitution, which guarantees your privacy and property. Important search limitations. A woman must be searched by a woman, as reflected in Section 10(3) of the Juvenile Justice Act and standard police procedures. Invasive body searches are not allowed during routine inspections. Under Section 8(4) of Act 30, such searches require specific legal grounds and a medical professional. For your fundamental rights under Chapter 5 of the 1992 Constitution, you have rights the police must respect. Right to silence. You are not required to say anything. In Okori alias Azuzo v. Republic 1974, the court held that statements obtained under duress or without proper caution may be inadmissible. Right to a lawyer. Under Article 14(2), you must be informed immediately of your right to a lawyer of your choice. Right to information. You must be told the reason for your arrest in a language you understand, as stated in Republic v. Ako sa 1975. And finally, your dignity. Article 15 of the Constitution prohibits torture, beatings or degrading treatment, physical or psychological. In Ghana, the police enforce the law, but they are also bound by it. Your rights do not disappear because you were arrested. Know the law, know your rights, and subscribe for more Ghana-based legal education.